Hey guys, my Instagram, how to learn digital marketing in the simplest way and fastest way to grow his business. Also depends on the business.
And also depends on what's fastest.
Yeah, what's
right?
fastest?
I think 12 weeks to learn digital marketing in a whole course of 5 weeks bootcamp is really fast.
Yeah.
It took me years to
Yeah.
really get good at it. I self-learned. So when I became digital marketer, I don't know about you, Bob, but there were no online courses.
Yeah.
We had to Google and figure shit out. And so it took like a good, 1-2 years to really learn it.
Yeah.
So there's no really quick and fast way. You can sign up for the course. Alternatively, you can just practice and Google around if you want something that's a little bit more free.
Yeah, my advice is, the product launch bootcamp, the name bootcamp actually makes you go through. I think a lot of our past students are watching as well. They can testify that in 5 weeks, they create their own landing page, create their own Facebook ads, Google ads, do their own SEO, do their own content. So in 5 weeks, it's an accelerated way to learn, and you can see the performance of your ads. But my advice, if you have a business, is in the first week, we actually teach you the customer avatar. So if you understand your customer avatar, you understand what channels your customers are, you understand where, how to market to your customers. I would say go all in. So that, for example, like Andrew asked us, if their customers are on Facebook, right? So you need to go all in and learn Facebook first, right? So that's the fastest way. So if let's say you're in a business where people normally search for it, so then you need to really go all in on SEO and Google Ads. So that is a streamlined way. So prioritize the thing that you want to learn and just go dive in for 1 month to learn that. So that's.
There's no right or wrong way, and different people honestly learn differently.
Yeah.
So I can't learn anything on video. I'm so bad. I need to read stuff. Ironic because I have a video course.
Yeah.
But I like reading stuff. If I listen to stuff on video, I listen at 1.5 times speed or 1.75. And then I just zone out. But yeah, I'm a reader. So that's how I learn.